Hello and welcome back to the Time Value Financial Spreadsheet. It's finishing up the monthly components, so calculate the ending balance and the future value factor as well. This goes all the way into 12 months of the entire year. So if interest completed already, now to calculate the ending balance. Let's calculate the ending balance. And now to calculate the future value factor. Okay, draw that down to 12. Okay, so that's the monthly compounding sheet. Now it's completed. The effective annual rate equals to FBF minus 100% equals to 1 plus monthly rate. Arrow is 12 minus 100%. Okay, so move on to the future car loan sheet. Here I have to calculate the monthly payment. The answer is €366.19. Okay, now we're going on to beginning balance of the future car loan. Okay, next one different. And now calculate the plus interest. Next step I need to calculate is the less payment. Okay, last but not least, the ending balance. Okay, that's the future car loan sheet complete. Very good. So that's how to solve and create a future car loan sheet. It's the interest rate changed or not for the monthly payments. You can move on and do the last sheet called mortgage and calculate the monthly payments. The answer is €1,153.37. Okay, beginning principal. Plus interest is the next one. Less payments, next one. And last but not least, ending principal. So that's the end of the mortgage sheet. Like this, if the principal or the interest rate are changed, the monthly payment in the following amortization table will automatically recalculate. So that's the time value finished for today. So thank you all for watching this. Hope you enjoyed that so far. Hope you all enjoyed watching the time value calculations. So stay safe, wash your hands, have a pleasant evening, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you all for watching this. Adios.